Hey, Apex traders. How are you all doing today? Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. It was a lot of opportunity today. It was a nice ranges we are having in these markets, which of course is amazing to see. For those of you who are not used to this, this is quite normal for topping formations. Okay, we started to discuss this back in January to our members that this was going to be upcoming, and we have been dead on. Now, as far as for the Apex account, the analysis today was great. Go ahead and watch the analysis video if you want to know what the ranges were today and what we're looking for the next couple of days. This is going to go ahead and provide some key information for how we'll be trading this over the next couple of days. As you guys know, we've been trading these two yellow bar play on these videos each and every single day. Yesterday we were actually out of the office, so we had a client day yesterday. So all day long of meetings and calls, so we were unable to trade yesterday. So if you did not see a video, that is why um, we were actually out of the office all day yesterday, which is very unfortunate because there were some amazing setups. So we'll go ahead and go through today's analysis as well, or I'm sorry, today's trade recap, and let's see how we did in the Apex account today. I actually have a pretty neat little update for you guys. Let's go ahead and go through it. All right. Go ahead and go through today's ranges. Oh, excuse me. Go through today's ranges and market activity. So to start off the day, we had a very, very nice range posted. Go through and watch that range video today. There was a key range up in this zone. And we also had our two orange bar play. Those of you who've been tracking how we play this, you guys will know that this orange bar here was the key setup point and meeting the thresholds. Thresholds are not up right now at the moment, but if I remember right, it was something like that, and then like that was the thresholds. So right at the threshold, what a beautiful short. We did not take this trade. This was right at the open, so first day back, and we're not really much fans of trading right at the open. So let that one go. Didn't do anything with that. But just for reference, study the chart. Those of you members, those of you with the indicator, those of you with the bots, study that. There's your first orange bar, same thing as the yellow bar. Yellow bar play. Two orange bar play meets the thresholds. Nice reversion back. Beautiful trade. For those of you that do like to trade the open. Then we go ahead and get a reversion. No setups here. We're just watching it, letting the ranges play out. And we start telling the members we're going to go ahead and start looking for a yellow bar play. Okay, remember the thesis on the day. Go watch it. Go back and watch the analysis video. The thesis on the day and over the next couple days is capitulation over the past couple days that we have been trading. Okay, that's what we were looking for today. So we're going to come down, and if you saw yesterday's action right here, came down, tested, punctured through, come back up, and start to build this up and run higher, which now we have. Okay, check out the past 3 days. Yesterday, today, and today again. Okay, so we were initially looking for our normal two yellow bar play that you guys are used to. This is what we trade each and every single day. Does not get any more easier to read than this. Okay, simple highlighted yellow bars on your chart. Basically, one of our members actually caught this today. Was quite proud. Very thankful for that. Glad to see you guys doing so well. So let's go ahead and go over the analysis just as we do each and every single day. So today, this one here actually ended up not being ideal. Remember, what we're looking for is the A formation. Okay, doesn't, like I've told you guys before, it does not invalidate the setup, but ideally what you want is, oh, that magnetism sticking is an A formation. Okay, that right A leg to break, and then your second yellow bar comes to fruition in that zone. No A formation, very, very small uplift, and immediately drop out. So what this tells us here is go ahead and let it puncture through threshold 1. Okay, let it be patient with it. Okay, when you don't get that full A formation, be patient with it at threshold 1. So for those of you members, you guys know where threshold 1 is. It was in the chat analysis. So it was something like this. It was like right here. Don't remember the exact price, but it was something close to that. 39.8250, 39.81, something right here. Okay, so when you don't see that A formation forming, does not invalidate it, right? But you just want to be a little bit more patient with it. Let it show you some confirmation or see what it does at threshold 2. So at this point, threshold 2 was something like this. It's just a hair below. So just like that. Okay, so now this is what we're working with on at this point in time. Just like this. First yellow bar, threshold 1, threshold 2. Wait, we see no print. Okay, remember the key part is the print of the second threshold. Okay, no threshold. Yellow bar forms in. We went ahead and got long here, took profits, and then ended up reloading this. Now, in this area of take profits, actually had an error, and we'll go ahead and discuss that now, and then we could come back to this trade. Let me go ahead and pull that screen up. So for today, for those of you wondering, the Apex account you have been tracking in these videos is today's green is $1,762.50 for that account. And we actually went ahead and opened up a copier system. So what you see here, that's what this is. Okay. So if we go ahead and click these, now let me show you how this works. Drag that down, put this back in line, drag this down. I'm going to set a limit order and you'll see that it copies across all separate accounts. Okay. I just set this far out somewhere. So set this like at 40, 35. I'm not looking to take a trade here, but just to demonstrate. Now pay attention. You'll see both charts populate at the exact same time. Your positions windows update. Oh, here we go. And here goes a limit order.
Order submitted.
There we go. See the order submitted. So as this fills, you'll have your ATM strategy, which is what this is. Okay, see how we have this? It's blocked off here, but J9 1-1. So it'll go ahead and send bracket orders at your profit targets and at your stop. Okay, and then across multiple accounts at once. So that's what we decided to go ahead and do this. We wanted to go and show this feature, okay, and how powerful this can be when you combine it with our analysis and indicators. Okay, let's go ahead and cancel that order.
Order canceled.
Okay, see how that canceled, but the other one did not. They are each independent. Only the master one is the one that actually sends the orders. So now if we cancel this one.
Order canceled.
There we go. So I'll go ahead and set another order. There we go.
Order submitted.
So now if I cancel it over here, see how it
Order
cancels
canceled.
across all charts? So that's essentially what we went ahead and did today. So we have opened up a small account for a small account challenge, which is this 325 green today. We were trading our master account, this one, the big one you guys have been tracking. That one is green, 1,762.50 today. The small account challenge is up $325. That one is a $5,000 starting balance. So, and then the other one is another Apex. We went ahead and started a new Apex, the 25K one. So for those of you looking to start at 25K, maybe the 300K is a little bit pricey. So we went ahead and did the 25K, and that one is only $1,500 to get funded, which we should hit that one here pretty soon. So green 200 in the 25K Apex account, green 1,762 in the 300K Apex account, and the small account challenge is green $325. So not too bad, and it was all in one trade. Now let's go ahead and go back to the chart and review. So actually right here, we were just adapting to that copier system. So what ended up happening right here actually left in order pending. So you do have to cancel your orders manually. Okay, left in order pending. So as it was coming up, accidentally went short. So took profit, and one of those orders turned short. So that was my fault for not canceling that order. Ended up red on that one right here. Otherwise, that $325 was closer to like 600 or so, 600 or 700. So made a mistake there. Adapted, learned. It was very first time trying that. Okay, we did some testing in Sim, and then now today those are all live accounts. So made an error. We'll get that adjusted over the next couple of days. And then right here came down after we had already booked profit. Reloaded on this waking candle here. Again, we have the threshold not hit. Nice floor below us. As soon as we saw this start to become an engulfing candle and start to push, went ahead, got in, took more profit in it. Right here in this candle, it happened again. Went ahead and tried to add on the master account, which we would typically do. On this initial position here, right? But when we added it, still getting adjusted to the multiple accounts. So added, thinking, yeah, sure, we'll add to the big account, not the other ones. But I mean, duh, right? You're trading multiple accounts at once. So we ended up adding that skewed the results on that account. Otherwise, that 200 would have been green, closer to 500 today. So added, got hit on this dip, realized the error. It's like, oops, okay, we cannot do that again. So went ahead and exited that position and then added back into the big account this time only right here on this push. Because again, anytime you're adjusting orders, you're trading 3 accounts at once, so they all get adjusted. It's just a minor tweak you have to make. So went ahead, added back, and took profit all through this move and was out somewhere like right here, like 39.84. So doesn't look like much, but with these wild market ranges is great. And what we were looking for here was this to continue and push upwards like we did here. So unfortunately, we were not able to get that whole move, but either way, we were out of the trade due to the errors involved and didn't end up touching nothing else. We wanted to grab this short here. Is it that one? Yes. We wanted to go ahead and grab this short here, but was unable to do so. Actually did not get filled the price we wanted. Let's get rid of those. Those are the thresholds for the long. Did not get filled that price and just left it be. Then the move finally ends up coming up here. Now again, here's the first yellow bar or first orange bar. For those of you going to watch this and was looking at this in the afternoon, this is what you'll be looking for: is a second orange bar trade. Okay, a formation. Oh, okay, does not want to draw today. A formation. Okay, that red leg break. Another orange bar up in here. Meet those thresholds and then see if that comes back down and test. Otherwise, if it rolls over now, something else is going on. So we'll see. We'll update that in chat accordingly. But for now, that is the day. Ending the day quite positive, quite a great day. First day to be back. We're going to go ahead and finish up both of these funded accounts and get this small account growing as well. Hopefully you guys all had a great day today. It was indeed a wonderful way to come back after being gone yesterday. Let's see what the rest of the week brings us, guys. Hopefully you all have a great rest of your day. See you in tomorrow's video. Later, guys.